Good morning, beloved students. I am Jeremy.
I'm Danica Dali. I'm Dulce Pascual.
So today, we were going to advocate our project, which is this. D stands for developing. I stands for information. And S stands for social, and S stands for skills. This campaign advocates for the improvement of information literacy and social skills among students of Alibadabad National High School. In a world full of misinformation and social challenges, students need to learn how to think critically, communicate effectively, and build meaningful relationships. So our objectives is to encourage responsible use of information in social media. And the next one is to develop students' communication and public speaking. And the third one, to strengthen collaboration, teamwork, and leadership in the school community. And our activities is
Info Smart Stop, seminars on fact-checking and responsible social media use, speak up contest, debates, storytelling, and public speaking competition.
And the third one is teamwork games, fun collaboration activities to improve relationships and leadership. And the last one, peer monitoring, senior students guiding junior students in research and communication to develop their social skills. And our target audience is the students of Alibadabad National High School, teachers, parents, and local community partners. So our expected outcomes is the students who are critical thinkers and responsible information users, improve confidence in communication inside and outside the classroom, and a stronger sense of teamwork, empathy, and leadership among learners. The support of our project is to implement the project successfully. Support in terms of resource, manpower, and logistic will be needed. The estimate requirements is include materials and supplies. Materials and supplies, printing of handouts, activity sheets, and posters, markers, bond paper, and other supplies